it's Gina with WTI. Do your legs ever get tired from having to hold them up to shave or to scrub down with body scrub? I know I do. It gets really tiring. But since I started using this little stool from Rohkex, I haven't had any of those issues at all. Actually shaving and scrubbing my legs down, or even getting to my feet, which is something I definitely neglect in the shower, has been so convenient. Not only is this so functional, but it's really pretty. I have lots of grays and whites, blues and greens, and I really like the brown because it just stands out from amongst the other colors. Plus, it has a really beautiful wood look, although it is not. It's completely waterproof and very durable. This was an absolute cinch to put together. I was able to do it by myself in just a few minutes. Now, we have an extremely small shower area, but I was still able to fit it in there. But not only that, it's just a really nice shelf to be able to put my orchid on, have my book ready when I want to read, and I just really liked using it in different areas. I also used it as a stool when I needed to rinse my hair out from dyeing it at home. And when we had a little project in our bathroom, I used it as a stool to be able to cut tiles. So it really is very versatile for many different uses. This is such a pretty corner stool. It can be used in so many different areas, not just in your shower, but just as an artistic piece around the house if you wanted. I really love it, and that's my point of view.